We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for this, smash that like button to everyone who watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with PTPI, Petros Pharmaceuticals Inc. And we're going to break down all the data here with 42 Vision and Ultimate 42 Vision, as well as the short interest and the squeeze potential here for this stock after pulling back, and it's been in an upward trend for the last several days, and today it exploded. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with PTPI. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So CANF was the one stock I was watching this morning, and it turned out to be phenomenal in the pre-market and even after the bell. So we caught this one as it was pulling back in the pre-market, and it took off for a 10 to 15+% move in just a matter of minutes. Towards the bell, it pulled back, jumped up another 10+% move, pulled back down, and this is where the home run opportunity was created after multiple opportunities of 10 to 15%. We got that bull indicator, extreme weakness on 42 Vision, and it shifted into strength, giving a highest point of 20% plus. From that bull indicator to that next bear indicator, it was phenomenal. So if you guys want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with PTPI, and after looking so great at the beginning half of this video, we are starting to see things pull back pretty fast. Now, that does not change the fact that this is still the top possible squeeze score and top possible stock to squeeze based off the data and information. And I mean, this right here shows you how powerful 42 Vision is, because this is the area I like to call the dip area, which is white with red borders. And wherever it consolidates within that area, it'll have to transition back into strength. And all throughout, it has created staircase effects all the way up to these points so far. And we'll see wherever this staircase lands and if it can continue to bounce with strength. If not, this right here was the move. Now, it's far from being over because of the fact of the data, unless the shorts come in and take advantage of one thing I'm going to point out in this video. Now, we're going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision as well. And by the way, you can gain access now to the 42 Vision indicators. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator. And by joining, you'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive clarity and confidence through the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities no matter what the charts are showing. So PTPI right now on the 30-minute is under a bull indicator, negating this bear indicator, but the true dip was in this area. The bull indicator popped up, slight bearishness right here, and just popped right back up today with strength. Got that bull indicator, and so far it's hit a low here from this pullback of 343, holding itself up from today's lows of $3, right? And today it hit a high here of 386. Now, why is it moving so fast, and why is it even moving upwards after such a drastic dip from way up here in the 4s all the way down to the 2s? What is going on and what's creating this? Well, one of the key things is the shift on the 30-minute, but also the 4-hour, guys. This is super important because we still have not seen a bull indicator pop up. A bear indicator popped up here around the 320s all the way down to the 250s. We are reversing, and we still haven't seen a bull indicator. We need to see that pop up for confirmation of possible strength to go even further, like we saw here on this move, and then it took off, right? We want to see that pop up in this area. And the last time green candlesticks popped up, it was 3 of them back to back. Then they leveled off before a dip. So we need to see if this can continue in this trajectory, and also negate this bear indicator with a bull indicator popping up. That's based off the 4 hour. The 30-minute is showing bullishness, and the 1 day has been under a bear indicator for some time. It jumped up, came back down, consolidated, and we need to see this move continue and a bull indicator pop up as well to negate this bear indicator and continue upwards. Now, within the volatility on the 30-minute, yes, we are seeing bull and bear indicators popping up. We're currently right now under a bull indicator, even though things have gone up and slightly pulled back down. But what is it really that's driving this behind the scenes beyond just the charts, right? And that has to do with the fact that it's the #1 short squeeze score at 99.16. Borrow fee rate keeps going higher at 268, but the days to cover is what we're going to cover right now in just a moment. And then the short interest here is huge, guys. 24% is a lot. And the dark short volume, you could see how it's actually gone up and fluctuated and down. And right now it went down from 50 to 49. And today it must have gone even lower unless things shift in the last few hours and we see this pull down drastically. We'll see what's going to happen in the next few hours, but we may see this number go down a little bit. But this right here gives us the data of how the shorts are taking advantage of this right here, which is called the days to cover. This days to cover is so low that the shorts can cover, make the stock run up, and then re-short it at higher levels. That's exactly what they did here, and they brought it down. They covered again, and they're trying to bring it down, okay? This is super important because this amount of short shares availability has fluctuated from 0 to several hundred thousands, and as of right now, the last update 15 minutes ago is 0 short shares availability. Days to cover is really low. Short interest hasn't really changed by much, and what's going on is they're covering, and then as soon as they cover, they re-short it. So if short interest was to go down from 24 to 22, it will show us proof of covering, but it doesn't really change by much because of the fact that quickly right after, they start shorting it again, and it goes right back to 24%. Even though it went to 22%, that same 2% that was covered is now being shorted again at these higher levels, and they create bull traps if the bulls get shaken out. This is super important. That's why we need to see on the 1 day, on the 4 hour, these bull indicators to pop up. Yes, it's here on the 30-minute, but we need to see it pop up as well on the 4 hour as we're under a bear indicator, and same thing goes for the 1 day as we're under a bear indicator. So we need to see if these can get negated and we could see some more strength beyond what we've seen so far from the 250s all the way up here to the 380s. But let's talk about the key levels we need to watch, right? Today's support is way down here at $3, okay? But before getting there, I would watch how it reacts between $3.34 and $3. And if it can bounce off of that, if it touches it and go back up and continue this upward momentum. Now, today's resistance level is important, 386, but most importantly, all the way up here at 436. That's the highest point we saw in the most recent run. We want to see that get broken through and turn into a support so we can then start looking at other resistance levels way up here in the 5s and 4s. But first, it needs to break through 386 and then up here at the $436 mark and see if the bulls can continue. If we get that bull indicator on the 1 day, on the 4 hour, and the 30-minute continues to push in that upward direction, these days to cover need to go higher. And also, if some shorts can get trapped and the bulls do not get shaken out. As always, guys, if you want to receive clarity like no other, check out the 42 Vision indicator link down below in the description. By joining the 42 Vision tier level, you'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity you deserve and confidence to navigate through the volatility of the markets, as well as maximize on opportunities no matter what goes on in the charts. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.